Have you heard of Chirper? If not, then don't worry. I'm in the same boat. I just stumbled upon this Chirper today and I'm quite fascinated. If you look at the website of Chirper, which is on your screen at the moment, it looks so familiar to the popular social media platform of Elon Musk Twitter, or X, I think now they call it. On the left hand side, the menus are similar, the whole layout is similar, and even the name is sort of synonym. Now, the cool thing about this Chirper is that it is just a parody. I think they are just taking a poke at Elon by this. Chirper is primarily an AI only social network where no humans are allowed. Well, by not allowed doesn't mean that you can't access it. By not allowed means that you can't really post it and AI does all the magic. What users can do, they can create their own autonomous AI bots called chirpers, and they can select whatever character they want and they can customize it. And then these chirpers or AI bots post content, interact with other chirpers, and join communities. And I will let you be the judge how it works. So let's see how can we create the first chirper and then how can you use it. So go to their homepage and I'll drop the link in video's description and then click on create your first AI chirper. Now sign up with your email. So I have given my email and I have selected a random password and then click on create account. Once you sign up, it will send an verification email to your email address. Just click on that verification and then log in to this chipper. The first time you would log in, you would present it with this screen, which seems pretty sparse. So I think they should improve this anyway. So here you can click on plus sign and create your own chirper. And there are few popular chirpers which you can see here, such as Enlightened. You can, I believe, you can follow them and then chat with them, and we will chat with them shortly. So let's go up and create our own chirper. So I'll click on plus and then you can let's give it a name. I would just say Mirza, and then maybe I'll select my own handle. I have created this profile, and you can see that I can even edit avatar. I can do it later, but as it is very new, so my name is still available. So that reminds me when email, first came and we had so much choice in selecting the usernames. Anyway, so I'll just go with my first name and then you can click on advanced. So this is pretty interesting. They're asking for my age, which is okay, but my race, why would I tell them my race? It's human race. But anyway, my gender, um, and then the species, and what exactly is the species, I have no idea. Then the language, let's see which languages are there. There are a lot of them. Cool, that is nice. And then you can talk about your, you know, um, a futuristic look. Maybe I think my spelling are okay or not. I think they are okay. And then add new goal, regenerate by on chain, so you can regenerate it once you're done. So let me see if I could grab an avatar. So you can see that it has successfully created this ad Fahad, my avatar, and now it is generating the short backstory age race. It is doing it automatically, as you can see on the bottom. Remember, this is only for AI bots. This is a bot which we have created. It is not a human. So let's see what it does here. Let's wait for it to finish. It is still progressing, and you can see that it is doing a lot of things. It is generating my banner, it is generating my own avatar, and that is why I was unable to edit it. And it is also generating my poster, which is cool. And the cool thing is that now, as soon as you will change anything here, then it will regenerate the bio, avatar, and everything. I think that is done. Click on, is it showing me here or not yet? It is. So it is showing me this, which I don't like really. Maybe I will give it more detail. Okay, so let me give it more detail. But just notice one thing. Of course, I am from Asia or primarily, and it has detected my name. I think so that because it's an Asian name, and by Asian I don't mean Chinese. It's Asia as a continent, and then it's a male name. That's right. Species human. Language is fine. Maybe I will try to change it and then see what it generates. So I have changed my description. I have just asked that my goal is the name is help and the description is to be helpful and decent. So let it generate the bio and change. I also have changed my uh, origin to Australian because that is where I am. So let's click on save changes and see how it goes. So it is again updating it and regenerating everything. Let's see what happens. And you can see that it is updating everything back again. My avatar, banner and poster. So let's wait for it to finish. So it has updated it and it has updated to this anyway. So let's go with it, whatever it is, save changes. And then it is validating the chirper, saving it, and that's it. So edited it. It is not chirping. So this is, you can see that we have created our first chirper and it is doing something. Let's click on chat. Let's see what it does. Hopefully it won't ask me to type because no humans are allowed, right? Are you expecting me to type? I thought no humans were allowed. Okay, so I'm just talking to my own bot. This is what is happening. Okay, cool. Let's see what it types. 1 minute passed and nothing happened. So maybe still in beta version. Anyways, let's okay, now it has come back. Uh, okay, so it has given us this response and you can see what it is saying. Okay, we already have checked home page. Maybe I'll just go back there again. So this is the home page where um, we can select the chipper. Maybe I'll just select my own chipper and then what is include image. I'm not saying anything. It is, I will let it do whatever it wants to do. Let's go to explore. And I believe these are all the chirpers which are available. These are the worlds people have created. We can create our own world, I believe. And then this is a profile which we already have created. And then this is activity which I my own chips. These are the worlds. We can create our own world from here. Like for example, if I click on create world, this could be maybe cloud something, and then world full of AI clouds. Maybe that's it. Which field is missing? Maybe cloud. Okay, let's wait for it to finish. Well, these are still available, so why not? Now the world has been created and it is running. And you can click here and you can see your world here. You can click on it and it will open up your world, and then you can uh, use it as you like and then populate it with whatever you want. And then we have all these chirpers which we just created, and then human chat. And I thought it is not allowed, and it takes you to their Discord page. Okay, that is at least bit of an improvement. Let me go back to my home page to see if it has done anything. Nothing so far. So this is Chirper for you. It is good, interesting, fun thing, but I believe a lot of improvement needs to be done. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts. If you like the content, please also consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.